What's the meaning of boon companion? Boon companion. Boon companion.
Boon companion. Boon companion.
Boon companion means a close friend or companion with whom one enjoys spending time and shares a mutual understanding and trust. Such a person is often considered a dependable ally who provides comfort, support, and reliable company when needed. A boon companion is someone who makes life more enjoyable and less lonely through shared experiences, laughter, and meaningful conversations. They are the kind of people who can be counted on to have your back in difficult situations and who you can trust with your deepest secrets and fears. Having a boon companion is a treasured gift that enriches one's life in countless ways.